Going to do a review on a stihl chainsaw clone. 92cc chainsaw, be a NEOTEC, about $330, nicely packed, kinds of little extras. Get all this out of the box and put it together. The business end of it, pretty heavy. A little screw at the bottom. It's supposed to be coming with a 28-inch blade, but it doesn't appear to be in this box. See what tools it comes with. Some plastic wedges, wrench, screwdriver, scrunch, adjusting screwdriver, a T-socket. Looks like an extra set of kickback teeth, nuts and bolts, a nut, open end wrench, a Torx bit, and a second nut. Lock on it. We'll place the grab bar on. The bar goes under here and bolts underneath. Fortunately, there's zero instructions, no pictures at all. 4 screw points, so these 4 probably go into the plastic. It is nice that it comes with tools. These is longer, so probably in the handle here. Kind of going off what makes sense. Got the grab bar on, which is good because it's pretty heavy. We'll put these kickback teeth on. Move the 2 nuts here. Long bolt, a short bolt with a nut on it. Short bolt with the nut on it, we'll put here. The longer one we'll put right in here. Short bolt here with the nut underneath. It's nice that it comes with all the tools. The longer bolt right in here. And make sure everything looks right. And I feel a little bit of resistance, but not bad resistance. Be like there's Loctite or something in there. It's our cover in place. Everything looks correct except for this pin's not going into this little hole. Move it around a bit, everything lines up. Nuts back on. Tighten everything up with the scrunch. On the bottom of the saw, we have a skid plate, so we'll need to remove these screws again and put them on the outside. Hooks will hook onto the plastic. It's in there pretty nice. Use these longer screws to get through the skid plate now. Everything fits as it should. The skid plate's a nice touch. Look at the size, I'll bring in another saw. This new saw is absolutely burly compared to the other one. Saw you can pick up. This one, yeah, it's got some weight to it. As soon as I get it all together, I find the manual.